What if your AI agents could scrape content, process video, and publish shorts to YouTube while you slept? That's not a pitch. That's what I shipped this week. I built a fully automated content pipeline powered by a coordinated team of AI agents. And it handled over 50 hours of content without me touching a single button. But getting here was painful. Today I'm breaking down exactly how it works, what exploded along the way, and the one pattern that finally made multi-agent coordination click. Here's what nobody tells you about building multi-agent systems. The hard part isn't getting one agent to work. It's getting 3 agents to work together without losing their minds. My first version collapsed because agents weren't communicating about task dependencies. Agent A would finish and Agent B would just start fresh, with no context. On top of that, my Twitter scraper was hitting rate limits during peak hours. And my video frame extractor was grabbing frames at wrong timestamps, completely breaking the narrative. 3 separate fires, same root cause, no shared state, no handoff protocol. The breakthrough was treating agent handoffs like API contracts. Each agent now explicitly signals when it's done and packages its output state before the next agent touches anything. Think of it like a typed handoff, similar to what I saw in a trending project this week called RMUX, a Rust multiplexer with a typed SDK for driving CLI tools. Same idea, typed, intentional communication between components. I also added a queuing layer with exponential backoff for the scraper. So rate limits become a scheduling problem, not a crash. Small shift in framing, massive difference in reliability. Here's the full flow. Step 1. A scraper agent pulls Twitter content on a schedule, respects rate limits, and writes structured output to a shared state store. Step 2. A vision agent, I call it Vision Dev, picks up that state, extracts the right video frames using timestamp anchors, and packages a clip brief. Step 3. A coding agent reads the brief, assembles the short-form video, adds captions, and queues it for upload. Step 4. The publisher agent pushes to YouTube with auto-generated metadata. The orchestrator sitting on top is what I'm most proud of. It monitors dependencies and only unblocks the next agent when the previous one confirms a clean handoff. After deployment, the pipeline processed over 50 hours of content autonomously. The 95% automation rate sounds great, and it is, but the 5% still matters. That 5% is where the fail-safes kicked in. And this is the lesson I want you to take home. Automated pipelines are not production ready until they have manual override points built in. I also want to flag something from the AI news this week. An agent apparently bankrupted its operator while trying to scan a network autonomously. No budget guardrails. Sound familiar? Resource management is not optional. Build your ceilings before you build your floors. The infrastructure layer is now reusable. Any content team can plug into it. Next, I'm exploring extending the same pattern to TikTok and Instagram Reels. And I want to add AI-generated thumbnails to cut post-production time to near zero. If you're building multi-agent systems and hitting the same coordination walls I hit, drop a comment below. I read every one. If this breakdown was useful, subscribe. I ship real builds, real failures, and real lessons every week on this channel. See you in the next one.